Oh yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in Pattaya Beach Road after this very funny ride with my motorbike from Pratumnak to here in Pattaya Beach Road, which is always a great fun to drive in the traffic. Of course, you have to pay attention because they really drive in a crazy way sometimes, but if you just drive slow, it's just like a funny experience once you are used to. Can I have a small San Miguel, please? Just having a quick drink because I need a beer. It's very hot today, like every day in Pattaya. Still a little bit of rain here and there because again, technically we are on the end of the rainy season. We're gonna have a walk, see some bars, some Saturday evening life before the sunset here in Pattaya Beach Road and enjoy a little bit the atmosphere here. Cheers! I will put the link of this place in the video description because it's a little hidden restaurant, but really 2 clicks from the beach road. And I used to come here since the very first time I was in Pattaya, and it's a small family restaurant. They are really nice and the price of the food is reasonable. Consider that we are really 2 clicks from the beach, and also if you want a beer they charge you like 90 baht for a San Miguel. It's a fair price and the food is good. You can have really nice smoothies also. And here we go, the legendary Pattaya Beach Road. And just in case you didn't get it, guys, Pattaya, it's one of the craziest place in Thailand, but I have to say also in the world to have party. Forget about the pizza, forget about the things you see in Europe. Pattaya can be very crazy, something really next level. The energy in this city is something crazy. The plan was to wake up this morning, but you know, when you are in Pattaya, there are always something happening. You hang out, you meet some friends, and in the end, yesterday night, I end up to party at Republic, and I get back home at 5 a.m. in the morning. Lucky me, I was able to take a little bit under control my friends, so we didn't get home completely wasted. And I just bring them out to the club when it was still dark, which is really good. When you get out from the club and it's early in the morning and you have the light, believe me guys, this is bad, especially if you're not 25 years old anymore. But again, this is Pattaya. It can be crazy and not only party time. So the beach around here, it's a really nice place. You can enjoy also some relaxing time from Pattaya beach. We have like in North Pattaya, the beautiful area of Wongamat, which you know if you follow me because I spent there more than 6 months. And also all the area of Jomtien. So you can have everything here in Pattaya, not only party. one of the oldest bar in Pattaya, which is established here in Beach Road since 1978. So long history, and it is something that really part of the culture of this city. You know, the lady bars are something very old, that they are originally born even before the 70s. That's where Pattaya slowly born back in the day, and this bar is one of the first of his type that generate in the years a kind of system here in Pattaya. So if you walk around, so it's basically full of any kind of bars, which are the essence of this place. Pattaya, it's a lot of things. It's club life, you know, it's beach life, as I said before. I wanted to show you this old bar because somehow it's where everything is started here in Pattaya in the 70s. So it's a little interesting place to visit. I have to be honest, I've never been there. I never have a drink there, but I will do it very soon. This is my new favorite place for the mango shake because I discovered they have an incredible honey, which, believe me, this honey mixed with the mango shake because she's really good to make this mango shake. Thank you so much. Of course, you have to pay, and if you don't have cash, with the Jam app, you can make payment using the Thai scan system. It's very easy. Look, you just select the scan, you scan the QR code, it's 50 baht, right? You just put the amount of money that you have to pay, then you click next, and the payment is quickly processed. And then when the payment is done, you just go to the history of the payment, you will find your last payment, and this is the proof of the payment that you can show to the vendor. Thank you, bye bye, see you. As you can see, it's very easy to make payment using the Jam app. You can download the Jam app for free using the link in my description. There will be no charge of fees until the end of December when you will send the money to top up your Jam app. So you can use the Thai scan system to make payment everywhere in Thailand without paying ATM fees anymore. That's all today from Pattaya, and as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.